Okay, boys and girls, today is Tuesday, March 24th, and I assigned a couple of pages from the FMSD packet that you got, one for writing and a couple pages for math. So just in case you're a little bit stuck, I'm just making this video to help you out a little bit just to get started. But as always, if you need extra help, just send me a message and I'll be around to help you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So for writing today, your prompt is, what is your favorite animal? Just like yesterday, I want you to give me the name of the animal and then give me 2 reasons why that is your favorite animal. So you can tell me that in any way you want, but in case you do need a little extra help, I'm going to go ahead and give you some sentence frames. Again, you don't have to use them if you don't need them, but if you do, then they're here for support. So what is your favorite animal? We're going to start by saying, my favorite animal is blank. Remember, we need a reason why, so we're going to say because. I messed up, so we're going to restart it. Because blank. Now remember, I told you I wanted 2 reasons. So far, my favorite animal is blank because blank. It is also my favorite animal because blank. And today we're actually going to add a conclusion to this. So I'm going to finish it off with this is why blank is my favorite animal. Again, you don't have to use these sentence frames. They're just in case you need extra support. But I do need you to tell me, what is your favorite animal, and give me 2 reasons why it's your favorite animal. So that is writing today. For math, we are going to finish up the last page of counting patterns. So today the patterns are going to be a little bit different. So some of the patterns you are actually counting backwards. Some of the patterns you're still counting forward, but some of them you might be counting by 4s today. So it is a little bit more challenging, but try your best. Remember, you might be counting by 2s today. I don't think I see any by 1s. You might be counting by 4s. Counting by 5s. And I also see a few where you're actually counting backwards. So go ahead and try your best with this one. We kind of did it in yesterday's video, so I'm not really going to go over it. I might do one since yesterday we didn't have any that were I think we did have some that were counting backwards, but not as many. So let's go ahead and do this one. So I can see that I start with the bigger number and then it seems like they get smaller. So I know that I'm not counting forward. I might be counting backwards. So yesterday I told you to start by 1s. So let's go ahead and find out if this one's going backwards by 1s. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. That seems to work out. So now I'm going to go ahead and input my numbers. Now I was going backwards by 1 this time. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, and 13. Okay, some of these are a little bit more challenging, so you're going to have to spend some time on it. So now, backside. This part is new for today. We're comparing numbers from 0 to 30. So up here, I see 3 symbols. One symbol that you should be very familiar with is the equal sign. And we've talked about many times that the word equal means the same. Now over here, this symbol that I have right here, this is the less than symbol. And what less than means smaller. This symbol right here is the greater than symbol, which means bigger. So let's go ahead and look at a few problems. So, and another thing you can think of with this is it kind of looks like an alligator mouth. So if we put some fake teeth here and then the other way, some fake teeth here, kind of looks like an alligator's mouth. And alligators are always super, super hungry. So they want to eat the bigger number. So remember, this one is the less than symbol. And this is the greater than symbol. And they already gave us an example. So they showed us 13 and 15. So I'm going to think about which one is the bigger number. So bigger number is 15. So I know the alligator mouth wants to eat the 15. So I'm going to have it face this way. And now let's see if it's true. When it's facing this way, it means less than. So it's 13 less than 15. Or we can also think about it. 13 is smaller than 15. And yes, that is true. 13 is less than 15. Let's try another one. Here we have 29 and 26. Is 29 bigger than 26, or is 29 smaller than 26, or are 29 and 26 the same number? So here I see that 29 is actually bigger than 26. So 29 is greater than 26, which means I'm going to be using this symbol. And it makes sense because the alligator mouth is eating the bigger number. We have 29 is greater than 26. Okay, let's try one more, and then I'm going to let you do the rest on your own. We will try letter C. So C, we have the numbers 11, and 13. So I need to think to myself, is 11 greater than 13? Is it bigger than 13? Or is 11 less than 13? Is it smaller than 13? So I know my numbers, so I know that 11 is actually smaller than 13. It means it's less than. So our less than symbol is this one right here. And as we had said before, the alligator mouth always wants to eat the bigger number, so it makes sense. 11 is less than 13. Now go ahead and try the rest on your own, and go ahead and send me a message if you need some extra support. I am here. Okay, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.